Hello guys, welcome in Let's Turkish. Hoş geldiniz arkadaşlar. In today's lesson we are going to talk about a really interesting lesson, so follow carefully. The lesson of today is consonant mutation. Okay, so you are asking what is consonant mutation. In Turkish, there are certain consonants that are replaced by other letters when suffixes are added to them. Which are these letters? So we have here K, T, Ç, P. K, T, Ç, P. And some say ketchup, ketchup, in order to easily remember them. Okay? So, we have the first one, which is K. K turns to yumuşak G or G. T turns to D. Ç turns to C. And we have P turns to B. We are going to have examples and exceptions. First of all, I will give you examples. The example given for the letter or the consonant K is köpek. Köpek, which means dog. Okay? Köpek, benim köpeğim. Benim köpeğim. We don't say benim köpekim. Okay? Here I have given you K, which turns into yumuşak G. Another example which turns to G letter is renk. Renk, which means color. Renk, göz rengi. Göz rengi. Eye color. Color, eye color. Dog, my dog. Tat. Tat. Tat, which means taste. Tadı çok güzel. Tadı çok güzel. Here tat becomes tadı. Okay? Ağaç. Ağaç. Ağaç means tree. Tree. Ağaca bak. Ağaca bak. Dolap. Dolap, which means cupboard. We say dolaba koydum. Dolaba koydum. I put it in the cupboard. Here I wanted to give you other examples, but I prefer to post it on the group. For those who doesn't know the group's name, it's Let's Turkish, okay? In order not to make this video so long, because the lesson is short. We will jump immediately to the exceptions. So, in the exceptions, we have three categories. First category is when the word has one single syllable. In general, single syllable words don't have consonant mutation applied to them. For example, top. Top, which means ball. Ball. Benim topum. It doesn't change to topum. Okay? Benim topum. Because it's a single syllable word. Benim topum means my ball. My ball. Süt. Süt, which means milk. Sütü bardağa dök. Sütü bardağa dök. Here also, same thing, doesn't change. And here I gave you two-in-one example. We have süt, which doesn't change, and bardak, which changes. Okay? The original word is bardak. It turns to bardağı. Sütü bardağa dök, which means pour the milk into the glass or the cup. Second category is when the word is derived from other languages. So words that derived from other languages don't experience any consonant mutation. For example, here we have bilet, which comes from French. Biletini unutma. Biletini unutma. Don't forget your ticket. Internet, which is an international and or we can say universal word. İnterneti her gün kullanıyorum. I use the internet every day. Hukuk. Here, this word derived from Arabic language and it doesn't change also. İslam hukuku. Islamic law. Third category, proper nouns, such as names of people or places also do not change. Here we have first example, Zeynep. Zeynep, which is a proper noun, a girl proper noun. Zeynep'e kalem verdim. Zeynep'e kalem verdim. I gave a pencil to Zeynep. Tokat, which is a province in the mid-Black Sea region of Anatolia, of course in Turkey. Tokat'ın nüfusu, which means the population of Tokat.